And under what standing order are you?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. There's a stranger in the house. I've seen someone resembling Oscar Sudi in the house. There's a stranger in the house, Mr. Speaker.
Order, Honorable Kibagendi. If you want to provide comic relief, that is a very poor one. Go on, Jalango.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker.
Give order, Anjala. What is out of order? Give Anjala the mic. What standing order are you standing on? What order? What is standing
91.
order?
91, Mr. Speaker.
Pardon?
91.
Order. Order.
91.
Take your seat.
Mr. Speaker.
You have no point of order. Take your seat. Jalango, carry on. Honorable Anjala, I encourage you that yesterday when you spoke, the House listened to you. What is it about? Order, Angela. Angela, you know, standing order 91 is a standing order you use to challenge a colleague who is on the floor and has said a statement that you think is not factual. Order. The member on the floor, Honorable Jalango of Langata, had not uttered a single word for you to challenge him on any fact. So you are out of order. I ruled him out of order already. Jalango, continue.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I reject the Finance Bill 2024.